Hey, what's up guys, it's Kuji, and today I'm going with my friend James and his Triumph Street Triple. A little bit different road than I usually do, which I'm very excited about. I initially wanted to take Aprilia with me, however Aprilia needs a service, so I'm taking this little guy with me today. Without further yapping, let's get started with this amazing vlog. Let's go! Kuji just forgetting her pin card, her card to pin to card. Wow. Ooh, it's all blue. Look at this. Oh wow, this looks beautiful. Okay, let's go ski. Okay, just taking it steady and easy. Oh, he's already here. Oh my god, okay. Hey! Hey, what's up?
How are you?
I'm doing amazing! Your street triple looks so good in person. I didn't expect it. Wow. It's so gorgeous. Yeah, beautiful bike. Wow.
Thank you.
And do you have any exhaust on it? SC project. Okay, wow.
Like all the extra stuff?
Is it a lot? Yeah?
Like all the carbon stuff.
Yeah.
Levers, mirrors, exhaust, rear sets. Eric tuned it.
Holy.
Rotors, wheels.
Wow. That is gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. Wow.
Thank you.
Yeah, I was considering Street Triple as the next bike between Aprilia and Ducati V2.
It was either like this or a Monster or a V2, and I didn't want to spend like 20K.
Yeah.
And it's like the same thing.
Yeah, I feel you.
And then my friend just sold his for like 12 grand. It only had like 2,000 miles on it.
Wow. Okay, well, that is awesome bike. It turned out that James actually gonna take me on a little bit different road. We're going up Vernonia right now, and then maybe we will go to Hot Lake as well. As you probably can hear, it's very windy today. Wow, the Street Triple has one of the best sounds ever. Like, it sounds really good. It's like aggressive, it's like a aggressive growling, very nice. And I was actually considering this bike, same as Aprilia, that I ended up going with Aprilia R660 and Ducati V2. But Ducati V2 would be a little bit too expensive right now, but the Street Triple is really nice. It's still also more expensive than Aprilia though. So many bikes out today. So many bikes, and there's a brother, and he has a skull on his back and seat. So cool. And it goes, the eyes are going like all red when he stops. That is so dope. I love that. I'm stealing this idea. I'm gonna become a Harley rider just because of that. Wow, look. Oh! Oh, good? Okay. Yeah. I guess here the fun road starts. And everyone is going left. Okay. I will see. Never been here, so I have no idea what to expect, to be honest. Told my friend to just go as he wants. I'm gonna take it a little bit more easy. And the condition of the road doesn't seem very good. Like, there's a lot of up and downs. Oh no, it's raining. Nice. Oh wow. I'm gonna just be flying you. Woo! But fortunately I have Continental tires that have the super technology called rain grip. So even on wet surfaces, those tires should do pretty well. like of the mountains, now the forest, different kinds of forests. Like that is really cool. Such a beautiful road, and it's hard to believe that I never took it. Oh wow, gorgeous. Right now we are in Vernonia. Such a small, such a cute little town. It was fun. It's a great road. It was, yeah, I know, it's really cold and like I got cramps at some point.
Yeah, your hips will hurt a little bit.
Yeah. But the road is really fun. I don't think I've ever done it. So thank you so much for taking me here. Like, yeah.
So like, where we made a left, if you go out, it's even twistier and fun. Then you'll end up in Astoria.
Ah, Astoria.
Yeah.
Okay.
Want to stop and get a snack or something? I'm not hungry.
Yeah, I'm not hungry either. I usually can't actually eat when I ride because I just feel like so much excitement.
I don't eat.
But yeah, we can definitely just stop and chill for a little bit.
We always stop over here.
Definitely.
They have like really good breakfast.
Ooh. And yeah, I was actually wondering if you're not cold because it's really like the wind at some point.
I have my grips on, my heated grips, which
Oh.
doesn't really do much.
Oh.
Like it just warms up your palms up. It's my fingertips that get cold.
That's why you were going like that during the ride?
Yeah, trying to-
Oh, I'm sorry. That is so sick. Some Ducatis just arrived. Some Ducatis arrived. There's the V2 that I wanted.
Which one? The new one or the old one?
Nah, old one. Old one, V2, black one.
I like the green. That matte army green.
Ooh. Oh, that's my friend. What the hell? What the hell? That is so random. Yeah, that's my friend.
I know them.
Okay, that's even more funny. Hi.
At, the street triple.
What up, buddy?
How you doing?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
What's
Hey,
up?
what's up?
How you doing, man?
Doing good?
Good. You took the R3 out today?
Yeah, Aprilia needs to get the service done.
Oh yeah.
When
Well,
you
that's
guys
cool.
come out?
It was fun. It was great.
Go to Helvetia Tavern.
This is my first time.
Getting out of
It's my first time wearing.
Backpack off.
Oh, it's still on. That's right.
Oh my god.
How you been?
Good, how are you?
Yeah.
Do you need help?
I wouldn't try to get it off by myself tomorrow. Just because if I'm alone,
Good. Good.
Actually, this is, I guess, going to range.
almost easier to wrestle a bear.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm gonna ask for help. Yeah.
No, the
Yeah.
easiest way is this way.
Pull the arm.
Yeah, put the arm. Oh my god.
All right.
That is wow,
All right,
okay.
I got this one.
That's the best form of birth control there is.
Oh my god.
I told him the worst.
Is that for the like race
For the
track?
track, yeah.
You need to, yeah, break it in a bit.
I had to like
Get off.
Holy.
break it in.
Now time to record some Ducatis as well.
You guys just got
You see how much those went up to now?
No?
They're $800.
Why?
After tariffs.
Oh, really?
What?
Oh, because they're Chinese
like
company.
$700
I'm so glad that I got it.
$700 and $800 now.
That is crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna record our bikes a bit.
Hell yeah. Now you got a little bit. So you've never done the Vernonia stretch
No,
before. It's
I never knew that it existed.
it's great. It's not too far to come
No,
out here if
no.
you're like you have some time in a day.
Yeah,
It's usually like
An hour and 15.
yeah. Itchy spot. Oh, very itchy. Hello, hello, baby. Hello. Hi. Okay, so we ate We yapped a little bit with the friends, and now we're gonna head out. Yeah, all the rubber side down. What? Yeah, it keeps falling out. Thank you. Yeah, it should hold, but it's popping out. And it is what it is. But yeah, the carbon parts look really good.
Thanks.
Wow. And I was also looking at this, like this is beautiful.
Yeah, it's the same wheels as this.
Ooh! I didn't see that. Beautiful.
Same wheels, same. We got like the same setup.
Oh, I
Same brakes,
see.
everything.
I see. But yeah, the yellow is just so like catchy.
Try sitting on it, see if you can touch.
Oh, really? It's about the same as Aprilia, I would say.
They make a low seat that's like this much lower.
This much? Okay, this much.
It's super comfortable for me,
But yeah, it feels nice though. I like it. And the color is just amazing. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. So fancy. We'll be going this way. Hello. Bye bye, my friends. But yeah, it was very nice to see people from Motocorsa. We thought about riding with them. At the same time, I feel like they would go very, very fast. I don't know if very safe as well. So we didn't want to really risk it. And I saw my other friend who actually gave me a motivational speech yesterday or a few days ago about YouTube, about content, about recording, and it really motivated me to just keep pushing on YouTube. I really needed to hear something so kind, so supportive. Like, I really, really appreciate you, because I know you're gonna probably watch this vlog, so thank you so much for that speech, and it made my entire day. It helped me a lot, so you're a real one. I'm gonna also see you at the track, at the Motocorsa track. I'm coming to watch everyone learn. I wanted to just do a like chill first day at the track, see how it looks like before I do the track day with maybe Yamaha R3. We'll see. I would need to get all the service done on Yamaha. I am not sure how much it's gonna cost me. Part of it I'm gonna, of course, try to do myself, but I won't be able to do everything. So I'm back and I had a blast. Microphone died on me because I've been recording for so long. It was pretty long ride, like 5 hours, I would say. So we did a solid ride. We met some awesome people, and I got also taken picture there with, you'll see, I need to show you the pictures because it was so funny. And I wanted to show you quickly the ILM helmet that I've been wearing, that you should totally check out. I absolutely love it. It's absolutely gorgeous and comfortable, and I have a code for it, so make sure to check it out. I really hope you enjoyed this vlog, and see you very soon in next vlog.